Hey friends, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be decorating my entryway table and my dining room for fall. This should be a short video because your sis is not feeling her best today. I'm having a horrible flare up, but I need to get this done. And so I'm so glad that you came to see me today. And we're not going to place a lot of decorations in the dining room and the entryway table because I really like how they are, but I am just going to add just a few fall touches. And so without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to quickly show you our entryway. Over here, I have a stool that actually matches my dining room set, and I have this cabinet that I purchased from Target when we moved into this house that I absolutely love. In here, we keep my husband's record player and all of our extra Bath and Body Works candles. We have an issue. Well, he has an issue. I don't. On the table, we have this white vase that I purchased from Ross earlier this summer, as well as these willow branches that have a little pampas grass on them. I absolutely love those, but they are a bit summery, so I'm going to change those out, but I'm still keeping it bright. And then this bronze gold basket. It's not a basket, guys. What is it? It's a bowl that I purchased. Our rooms to go was going out of sale. I told y'all I didn't feel good, didn't I? They were going out of business during the pandemic because they were getting a new store. And so we picked up so many pieces that were really, really cheap. And this was one of them, and I have another one that I'll show you as well. But that's on the table, and then I have these ceramic or resin, I don't know. I can't find my words today. Chain. It looks like a chain. Oh my goodness. And then I have this brushed gold lamp that I am not in love with at all. I believe it's the lampshade, and I can't find a lamp that I really like that I want to pay for. But I'm moving it today, and I don't know if it's coming back. And then I have, this is another piece that we picked up from Rooms to Go when they were going out of business. And I don't know if you can tell how tall it is. It is about 3.5 feet tall. And this was a dark gray color because that's what went with my decor at our other house. And I just recently spray painted it to this almond color that matches my decor so much better, and I love it here. And on the wall, I have these paper artwork pieces that came from Ross. I feel like they were a bit pricey in my opinion for Ross, but I like them, and I purchased two. One of them, I tried to hang them up with command strips, and I went by the weight, and I even put extra strips, and it fell, and I was devastated. But guess what? It's still up there. I may try to squeeze it back together with Gorilla Glue or something, but that's what it is right now. So this is our entryway. Excuse the little stems there. I might be using them. Also in my entryway on this side, I have a, is that a ficus tree, guys? I have that in the corner by my front door. And I also have this metal wreath that I absolutely love that I purchased from Hobby Lobby some time ago. Then I have this 8-foot runner. I love jute rugs, and you will see them in several places in my home. But I have this 8-foot jute runner that runs from my front door all the way to the stairs. So this is just a quick view of what the entryway looks like. And I am going to just add a few pieces to our console table. So you can also see here where I bought some green pampas grass, and I was trying it in this vase, and it got all over my vase and my chair. So I'm going to have to clean that up before I put anything out. I took this lamp from one of the side tables in my family room, and I like it so much better. I'm just going to add this autumn sign that I picked up from Hobby Lobby right up under the mirror. I think that it is the perfect last touch for this console table. So when I put my stems in the vase, they went down too far. I really thought the stems were longer than that, so I'm going to take them out and use my little trick of stuffing some paper and plastic bags in there, and then we're going to try this again. Y'all, these flowers gave me the business. It took me a long time, some off camera, to try and get them situated the way I wanted to. They had, the pieces were different sizes or different lengths, so some of them kept falling out or falling down further. So it took me a minute to get this looking the way I wanted it to look, but in the end, it turned out really cute. And here is this messy green pampas grass that I've been talking about that has made a mess all over everything, but I did end up spraying it with some hairspray and that worked wonders. It did the trick. It is not shedding all over the place anymore, and I absolutely love the color of this pampas grass. I also decided to add back in the pieces that were in the vase that was on my entryway table, just because they are bright colored and I think that they added some visual interest to this arrangement. Absolutely loving the way this turned out. It just adds something nice and neutral to this corner. So let me talk to y'all about these pillars in my dining room. These are actually lamps that we picked up from that same rooms to go sale that I was talking about. And let me spin over so you can see the other one. And they were really cheap. And when I tell you my husband fell in love with these things, we really haven't ever had any place to put them because they're big and they're silver. I don't know if they're coming off a little gold maybe on this video, but they're silver, and I haven't the slightest idea what to do with them because he wants to keep them. I don't like them in here. Excuse the flip-flop. Right there. I'm gonna get that. I mean, they're pretty turned on. Let me show you what it looks like turned on. So I've turned the lights off so you could kind of see what they look like in full effect. They actually look really pretty at night if you turn them on, but the thing is they're silver. So you guys tell me if you think I should paint them and find somewhere to put them, or if I should get rid of them. I really don't know if getting rid of them is an option because my husband likes them. So yeah, there's that. So I'm really pleased with how everything turned out. I did not want a lot of decor in the dining room because my table is very big and takes up a lot of the dining room space, and I really like the decor that I already have in there, and so I just wanted to add a few simple, sophisticated fall touches. My entryway is always one of my favorite spots in my house. I just love when you walk in the front door and you just have the mirror and the console table, and it just makes me happy when I walk in, and I love the decor choices here. Also, you'll notice another one of the leaf pillows that was on my bench in the family room. I ordered 2 of those pillow covers from Amazon, and I took that pillow actually from the extra chair in the dining room and put it out here in the entryway, and I really like it out here. I love those maple stems. They give just the right amount of color to the table, and everything just works together and comes together beautifully, and I love it. So friends, that is it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here. I am almost finished with my fall decorating, and we will do a whole house tour once I finish, but we have a couple other fun videos in between the decorating, so stick around to see how we do life over here. I do want to take a minute just to say thank you to my new subscribers. I have a few that's been with me for a while, but my subscriptions have tripled in the past week and a half, and the sweet comments that you guys have given me, it means so much to me, and I'm so thankful that you take the time to watch my videos, and I'm so excited about where we're going and what we're doing. And thank you so much for watching. If you have watched this video or you have watched the other ones, if you would please click like and subscribe and share this video. It helps my channel out so much. I am growing my channel, and I'm so excited to have all of you with me. So yeah, that's it. Thank you, and I'll see you guys very, very soon.